Welcome back to the vlog, guys. This is Glenn, and for this video I'm going to share with you yung mga favorite restaurants ko in Boracay. And I have two bonus recommendations on top of that list, and in-include ko rin yung budget for each restaurant. So enjoy, guys! So first on our list is this restaurant called Thai Basil, and obviously they specialize on Thai food. It is located sa bungad lang ng D-Mall coming from the main road. Get ready to be transported to Bangkok when you dine in here dahil sa authentic Thai dishes nila. Don't be deceived sa simple interiors nila dahil bawing-bawi naman sila sa lasa and quality ng food na siniserve in this restaurant. Ayan, see the menu for yourself, guys, para ma-check nyo rin yung prices ng mga dishes. Pero I highly recommend na itry nyo yung chicken or pork satay and yung pad thai nila. Medyo malaki din yung serving ng food, and I think this is good for around 2 to 3 persons. Pero kung gutom talaga, siguro mga good for 2 persons lang. Ayan. So ayan, guys, I think the average price would be 1,000 to 1,500 pesos. Good for 2 persons na if you're going to dine here for lunch or dinner. Moving on to the next dining spot on our list, lagi kong binabalik-balikan tong Island Bowls Boracay whenever I'm on the go, or yung kapag may work ako sa island and kailangan ko lang mag-take out ng quick meals. Ayan, they have rice bowls generally. And meron din namang other options like noodles, ganyan, para sa mga hindi mahilig sa rice. Super recommended ko yung nasi goreng fried rice nila. And again, yung satay and yung spring rolls. Siguro kung mapapansin nyo, favorite Asian dishes ko talaga yung satay and spring rolls na combo. And they also offer milk tea, guys, na average naman yung lasa. The cost for this food would be around 600 to 700 for 2 orders for 2 persons. Order ko kanina sa Island Bowls, Boracay. Third on our list would be Spice Bird, na located rin sa loob ng D-Mall. Ayan, guys, check nyo yung menu. Pero ang specialty talaga nila rito ay yung mga piri-piri dishes. Especially yung chicken. That's why it's called Spice Bird. Ang favorite ko dito na drink, guys, is yung lychee coconut signature shake nila. Grabe, super worth it, and ang sarap. Sobrang refreshing. Try nyo yan pag nandito kayo sa Spice Bird. Mabilis mapuno tong restaurant na to, especially during weekends and peak na lunch or dinner time. So ito na yung must try shake nila, guys. I swear, super sarap nito. Try nyo to. Yung lychee coconut shake. I'll show you guys a proof na talagang favorite ko yung shake nila. Tuwing pumupunta ako ng island, ayan, binabalik-balikan ko talaga siya. Hindi kompleto yung Boracay trip ko usually pag wala yung shake na yun. So ayan na yung order namin, guys. Merguez and sausage sandwich and quarter chicken piri-piri. Yum! Let's eat! And that's it for Spice Bird. Sana matry nyo siya pag nasa Boracay kayo. Next on our list is another pang to go na option, which is called Mezerap. I love their wordplay sa masarap, which is masarap naman talaga yung mga dishes nila. Kung nag-crave kayo ng shawarma, ganyan. Ayan yung specialty nila dito, guys. So nagte-take out lang ako lagi when I order from this dining spot. Pero meron din naman silang mga dining tables and chairs guys. And average cost would be around 5 to 600 pesos for 2 persons. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, puno talaga yung takeaway box nila. Next on our list would be this aesthetic restaurant located inside Feliz Hotel, inside the mall. It's called La Plaza. Ayan guys, check nyo yung menu. And I don't have really a specific food recommendation from this restaurant because every time I eat here, okay naman yung quality ng food ng lahat ng na-order ko. And we have previously stayed sa Feliz Hotel and na-enjoy namin yung breakfast dito every morning. So, ayun yung recommendation ko is based sa ganda rin ng place and sa quality ng food na sinaserve nila consistently. And super bet ko din talaga yung vibe ng place. Parang wala ka sa Boracay actually. Ayan, ang ganda niya sa photos guys. So, nung time na nag-dine kami here, that lunch, nag-order lang kami ng pasta and pizza. Super na-enjoy namin tong 4-cheese pizza nila. It's called Sorpresa. I highly recommend that you try this, guys. And the average cost would probably be around 1,500 to 2,000 pesos. Good for 2 persons when you dine in here. Last but definitely not the least in my restaurant recommendations would be the Sunnyside Cafe in Station 1. Ito talaga yung dining spot guys na masasabing nasa Boracay ka nag-dine in kasi just look at that view. Super relaxing, ang sarap mag-chill lalo na kapag nagpainit kayo sa beach almost whole day. Ayan. Check the menu out guys for your reference sa pricing ng food nila. They have a decent selection regardless kung pupunta kayo for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And I can vouch for this restaurant na masarap talaga yung coffee na sinaserve nila dito. So for that late lunch, nag-order ako ng baked macaroni nila na super favorite ko din. And si Ate Faye nag-try siya ng pasta which I forgot the name of. Pero hindi niya masyadong nagustuhan. So eventually, in-order niya rin yung in-order ko. So ayun guys, meron din silang pastry selection. And among other dishes na marirecommend ko ay yung chori burger nila and yung eggs benedict na super yummy din both guys. And yung calamansi muffin nga pala na I think even better than the calamansi muffin sa Real Coffee. Pero that's our secret. Charot. So I think you will shell out a good 1 to 1.5 pesos when you dine in here. Pero ayan, super magnificent ng view lalo na kapag pa-sunset time. So yun yung favorite time ko talaga na mag-dine dyan guys, yung pa-sunset. And now, time for our bonus recommendations na super polarized ng choices. Super extreme. So unahin na natin yung for the tipid. Syempre, hindi mawawala tong undocs sa options kapag nasa Boracay. So kapag gusto nyo ng mura, nakakabusog, and decent quality na food, undocs is the way. Ayun guys, so around 300 to 500, busog na kayo. And syempre kung merong tipid recommendation, meron din tayong waldas recommendation. Charot. Pero alam nyo yan, deserve nyo rin kumain ng masarap at mag-dine sa masarap at sosyal na lugar paminsan-minsan. Kaya nga tayo nagbakasyon. So, ayun, my recommendation would be none other than Shellos Poolside Bar at Shangri-La, Boracay. Pero guys, kailangan nyo magpa-reserve to dine in here kung hindi kayo guest or naka-check-in sa Shangri-La, Boracay. Sobrang ganda and sobrang chill, aesthetic ng place guys. I mean, pag nag-dine kayo rito, parang nakakawala talaga ng problema. Charot! Pero ayun nga, you will get top-notch service. So talaga namang binabayaran nyo rin talaga rito yung ganda ng location and yung service na makukuha nyo. So, mag-ready kayo ng around 3,000 pesos for 2 persons kung magdadine kayo dyan for lunch or dinner. And I guess that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope nakatulong yung mga information and sana may ma-visit kayo na dining spot na nasama sa list na to. And I hope you have a good experience. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys!